Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in your Chile. So let's get started. So first of all you will go to your Google and directly search for top list of business bank in Chile. So the first bank is your Santander Chile Holdings. Then we have the other banks like your Banco de Chile, and we have Banco Estado, then other banks. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in your Sender Chile Holdings. So I will just go to their website. Okay, you can also go. So to open a business bank account, you will directly click on enterprises, then you have to click on whichever you're having. So I'm going to enterprises. Then here you have to become a customer. You will directly click on become a customer. Then they have two options. You can just select. Okay, you can just send your company name, your company roth, then your name, telephone number and Gmail, and you have to send it. So by this you can just open, like you can just send the inquiry and they will call you. So they will help you to open. So you have to visit their nearest branch, and the nearest branch you have to visit, and you have to verify your identity. Identity verification will be a short verification. You have to do there and like go back. Then your verification will be done. You should have a valid identity proof and other detail will be required, and then you can directly open. So this is how to open a bank account in Chile business bank account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.